In this video, you'll learn how to use Google Authenticator with your Binance account. By the end of this tutorial, you will be able to enhance the security of your Binance account using this authentication method. Begin by installing Google Authenticator on your mobile device. Open your preferred app store and search for Google Authenticator. Once you find the app, tap Install and wait for the download to complete. After the installation, open the app to get started. Next, you will need to link Google Authenticator to your Binance account. Open your web browser and navigate to the Binance website. Once there, sign into your account. After logging in, locate the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. Click on it, then select Security from the drop-down menu. In the security settings, look for the option labeled Authenticator App. After that, enable the Authenticator App option. A QR code will appear on your screen. Open the Google Authenticator app on your mobile device and tap the plus icon or begin setup. Choose scan a barcode or scan QR code from the options presented. Point your device's camera at the QR code displayed on your Binance screen. Once scanned, the app will generate a code for your Binance account. Now you are ready to use the generated codes. Whenever you log into your Binance account or attempt to withdraw funds, you will be prompted to enter a 6-digit code. Open the Google Authenticator app and locate the code associated with your Binance account. Keep in mind that these codes refresh every 30 seconds, so make sure to enter the current code quickly for successful authentication. Finally, it is essential to understand that using Google Authenticator significantly enhances your account security. Ensure that your device is secure, as losing access to the app could complicate. Additionally, be aware of your internet speed, as a slow connection might delay the verification process when logging in or withdrawing funds.